absolutely love it.
Okay.
Oh,
You got a lot of paint on there, so you just need to hold it. That's okay. Now,
I like it.
it's good, and you can use that. Now, you can print with that. You just needed to get a little bit of the paint off. So then you can start printing. Okay, you need some white or something else in there. Because you're just getting, I'm sorry, along the blue. Okay, you don't have to hold it long, just get it in, take it down, pick it right up. All right, now you're using all the colors. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But what you want to think about after this, maybe just use 2 colors at a time, red and yellow, red and yellow, but this is fine. Okay, so what we're going to do here, and you want to put the colors one on top of the other, not side by side, on top, but that's okay. Have you got your deli
Here it is.
paper? No, your
Oh,
deli
no,
paper.
Deli, he's.
We're going to off print.
I love it.
Isn't it cool? But put your paint on top of each other in puddles. Don't put it side by side. Okay? There you go. And just open it up. There you go. Perfect. Now, we're going to just do it off print. Now you can
Well, it's not what it's supposed to be, but I like it.
It's not supposed to be anything except what it is. It's not. It's really, and you don't need a ton of paint down. You need just a little paint to start and add to it. No, that's perfect. It's very, well, I like it. Here, it's like some of mine that were just all over patterns. It doesn't, there's not a right or wrong way to do this. Okay, now you want to print on this. This is just to get your excess paint off.
Oh.
But you can, it's okay, you can still use this. You're fine, Grace, you're fine.
Get going.
No, there's just a lot going on. I'm gonna clean this for you, so you're fine.